welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I want to talk about this minivan. I'm getting ready to install this 41TE A604 back into this minivan, and I repeat, I refuse to have the same problems I had removing it because it was a tight fit. Now let me show y'all what I used to do, or what I'm going to do even on this one, man. Now listen, take a look at this right here. First of all, I kept clashing right here, but I don't want to take out the whole frame. I didn't want to lower that, so I really kept clashing right here. Now I remember, this is 07. I remember I used to replace these trans a lot. I always had problems getting them out. So what I did back in the day, I don't know why I didn't think of this. We used to always take out the extension housing. All right, and that's what I'm gonna do going back in with this one. In order to remove the transmission, I always took out the extension housing, and during installation, I took out the extension housing on the new transmission. That make installation so much easier, y'all. And no, you're not gonna hurt anything. You simply have to just reseal this, put silicone around this, clean this up, put silicone on it, and bolt it back up. You're not gonna hurt anything. This is already married to the differential, so you will be fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. If you want to aid installation, in other words, make installation a whole lot easier than it was taking it out, then you best do that, because you will fight. All right, I did not want to remove this frame out of this car, or lower it for that matter. Now remember, back in the day, 05, 06, 07 Caravans, I used to always have to take the extension housing off. The reason I didn't think about that is because I haven't done one in so long to where I forgot. Simple, I forgot. But no, not this time, baby. I'm about to go in with this 07 Caravan. About to get it put in. Watch how much, well, I'm not gonna film installation, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be super easy putting it back in. I would not fight as much as I had to fight. Now, while I'm under here, a few things you should check, man, while you got the transmission out. Before you put the new one in, check like right in this area, see if there's any oil leak. If there is, go ahead and pop this flywheel off and put in a new rear main seal. This is a good time. This is 3.338 engine. This is a good time to check the lower intake gasket. See if you see cooling right up in this area. That means you basically gonna need this lower intake gasket. All right, make sure the dials are in perfect, because you want the transmission to mate to the engine properly. Just a few things you should check before going back in with the transmission. And look over the flywheel or flex plate, because taking it out, I fought hard. Now, if you bent anything, you're gonna have some problems. So make sure you didn't bend any of this. All this is important. Make sure you didn't bend any of this coming out with the transmission. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.